Do you have to keep track of tons of paper in the classroom? Have you ever misplaced a quiz a student has taken? Do you hate having to input data in grades? Utilizing Google Forms for classwork and quizzes may be a fix to some of your problems. Visualize a classroom with little to no physical papers. Imagine your data being automatically collected. These are things that the Google Suite and specifically Google Forms can offer you. Let me show you how easily you can create a quiz to utilize in the classroom using Google Forms. Add a relevant title once you get into Google Forms. This is where you'll input your quiz title. Students will use this to identify the forms they're supposed to be working on. Next, you can use the description right here and add a description about the quiz or give clarifying information for the students to see before they begin their quiz in Google Forms. Lastly, we'll look at how to create questions in Google Forms. Here's where you will type in your question or instructions. There are so many question types that you can utilize, such as multiple choice, check boxes, and many others. For multiple choice, you can input different answer choices. Click on option 1 to input your first choice. To add any other choices, click Add Other. Then you will be able to mark the correct answer choice. Feel free to utilize different question approaches. Utilizing Google Forms is a great opportunity for you to go paperless in your classroom and make life more convenient for you as an educator.